What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an F2A Buffalo, and today I'm going to be showing you how to assemble this and it flying. And the landing wasn't so smooth, but that's okay, at least I landed it. And huge shout out to Servo for sponsoring this video. Let's get to the build. I first started by gluing the head onto the body, followed by the air tube. Next, this part was really cool because you print this out on a printer and it looks really good with all the gauges. Next, glue all the fuselage pieces together, pretty straightforward. After that, we're going to install the servos here. I did it wrong, I did it backwards, so don't do it backwards, I ended up taking them out. So install the servos. Once we're done with those servos, I opened up all the things I got from Amazon, the motor, ESC, and carbon fiber rods. Next step was to bolt the motor down to the mount. So I used Loctite for this so they won't ever come undone. It's not necessary, but I do recommend doing it. And then next, we're just going to glue that motor in, so make sure it fits, apply some super glue, and it should just pop right in there. I then plugged in the ESC and this really cool engine. You're just going to screw on using M3 screws. After that, we're going to install these magnets that put on the front plate, secure it pretty good on. And I decided to put on the prop earlier. You don't need to, just to make sure everything fits. So you just tighten up that bolt and it's good. Next, I printed out all the tail section pieces so I could get that tail done. First, you install the rudder. So you're gonna have to use that piece and you glue on each piece. So there's this mechanism that turns and you install the servo wire to it. So it's pretty, you'll see, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. There it is, yeah. So once we have all that glued up, it's pretty straightforward. Those things should spin and then you glue the elevator right onto that. Cap the end off. I use some Polylite ABS for capping the end off there. And then that was done. So next we have the wings to work on. We're gonna put on those servos and then there's a cover for the servos that we're just gonna screw on with the servo screws. After we're done that, make sure it works and install the rest of the wing pieces. Put them all on the carbon fiber rod and slide them down one by one, gluing each to each other. You also will need to put a servo extension, so all the parts will be in a link in the description, including the plans for this plane, which are on sale, so you can go use the promo code in the description and get these plans for yourself. Once the wing was done, make sure the aileron's working, and now that we're done, check this thing out. It turned out really nice. This is a super cool plane. Definitely recommend the build. It was printed in all regular PLA, but I'm going to do this build again in lightweight PLA and compare them, see which one's better. Stay tuned, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.
We've lost a wing.